Hello everyone and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. In today's video, I have noticed that the videos, I have to appear on the video for it to get views. So that's why today's video, in as much as it would have been done without my face, I will just put my face here so that you work with me. All right, so let's go into the computer and see what is there. So this video talks about, so today we're going to talk about time and direction. So I will just splash the time here like this, and then we shall go and we shall talk about the time. So let's start with now. Now is sani. So right now becomes sani, sani. Now is sani. So if, for example, in a sentence you can say, Kel gino sani, bring it now. Then, Kel gino sani, sani, bring it right now. Don't waste a single second, just bring it right now. Later becomes bange, bange, later, bange. That is later. And then yesterday is nyoro, nyoro, that is yesterday. So nyoro is yesterday. Now the day before yesterday is nyocha, nyocha. Okay, the day before yesterday, nyocha. And then, like for now, the day before yesterday, today is Monday. So the day before yesterday was Saturday. So Saturday is nyocha, then yesterday is nyoro, Sunday is nyoro. Today, kawuono, kawuono, that is today. So kawuono might also be called gonyo, gonyo. So gonyo, gonyo and kawuono, same thing. It depends on who is saying it. Then tomorrow is kiny, kiny. That is tomorrow, kiny. And I noticed that the word, the ny is very difficult to pronounce. So I will look for a word that is equivalent to many. You know, like English is many. Many people start saying kini, which is not really correct because the n and the y are together and they give you nya, 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 the nya sound. So it's kiny, not kini, kiny. I hope that makes sense. Then the day after tomorrow is called orucha, 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 day after tomorrow. Okay. Right now, sechege or sani sani. Later will be seche mabiro, seche mabiro, that is much later, seche mabiro. Slowly, slowly, kidam kidam. So that if you're walking slowly, you say awuotho, awuotho kidam kidam. That means you're walking slowly. If you're walking slowly, you say awuotho kidam kidam. Morning, gokinyi, gokinyi. Afternoon, godiochieng, godiochieng. Midday, midday is gonyango, gonyango. That is midday, gonyango. And then evening is godhiambo, godhiambo. Evening, godhiambo. Night is gotieno, gotieno. That is night, gotieno. Then midnight is dier oduor, dier oduor. Okay. Then let's talk about the speed, a little bit of speed. Very quickly, piyo ahinya, piyo ahinya. That is very quickly. Then quickly is pio. Pio. Very slowly, mos. Very slowly is mos. And slowly is mos. Good. Then let's look at time of day. Time of day. Morning is okinyi. Afternoon is odiochieng or godiochieng. Evening is odhiambo or godhiambo. Night is otieno or gotieno. This is a clock. Ma and sa. Ma and sa. This is a clock. And then, what time is it? En sa adi. En sa adi. What time is it? Very early in the morning. Kogwen. Kogwen is very early in the morning, and kogwen is from kokgwen, and kokgwen means the crow of the cock, of the chicken, of the, how you call it? This thing, how do you call it? Yeah, when it crows in the morning, then, oh, the cockerel. So very early in the morning, that means when the cockerel is crowing. Midnight, dierotieno or odiwuor. 3 p.m. is sa onga achiel. Sa onga achiel. Then let's talk about compass directions. Compass directions. East, ugwe. Ugwe. Sometimes they say yor wuok chieng. Yor wuok chieng. The side where the sun comes from. Yor wuok chieng. West is yimbo. Yimbo, that's west. North is nyanduat. Nyanduat. North. Nyanduat. South is milambo. Milambo. Milambo, that's south. And then central is masawa. Masawa, central. Yor ugwe, eastwards. Yor imbo, westwards. Yor milambo, southwards. And then yor nyanduat, northwards. And the last thing is click on the subscribe button. Please subscribe to this channel. You don't know how much it means to us. Just one subscription. And hey, click the like button. Just click. Seriously? Alright. Thank you. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video that we post when we post. And for now, Oriti, thank you for watching. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. In this channel, you learn the Luo language using very simple concepts. Check 1, 2. Hello everyone, and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. In today's video,